Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Varsha, but you can call me V. Today we are going from this to this. This is my everyday go-to makeup look with minimal products and affordable of course क्योंकि college वाले बच्चे बस वही afford कर सकते हैं. So skipping the chit chat, let's just start. First things first, do your skincare guys. It is very important. Cleanse your face and apply your skincare. And for all the girlies who have oily skin like me, I would highly recommend this product. This is Foxtails Oil Balancing Moisturizer. I have started using this and trust me, this is the best for oily skin girlies. But if you have your own moisturizers, you can definitely go for that one. And after that, I go for Vaseline to hydrate my lips. I am filming this video in natural light so you can get the real idea of how the makeup looks in natural light. My bare skin has a lot of pigmentation, redness and a lot of moles as well. So it is just what it is. Then I go in with a sunscreen. It's from Dot & Key. I love this sunscreen. It's good for oily skin. Again, mentioning oily skin because I have oily skin guys. Let it dry and then I go in with this color correcting palette because I have dark circles, as you can see, a little bit of yellow. I'm blending it with my fingers because I feel like this is the best way to blend it. With the orange, just put it on the back of your hand first and then go in. Let it dry, and also to balance the redness you can go in with a green color. Now we are going to go in with the concealer. We are not using any foundation. I don't use foundation on a daily basis. You can also go for a tinted sunscreen. Dot & Key has one and that is really good. With the concealer, put a dot over here, here and here. We are not going to directly blend it. We'll let it dry. Till then, you can do your brows if you want. I have fuller brows as you can see, so I don't usually do much. This eyebrow drawing from Hilary Rhoda. It has 3 colors. This trick, I saw Priyanka Chopra doing it. You just lift your brows and just fill in the gaps. Then go in with the brush. Again, I'm going to blend it with my fingers first. With the face, I don't like to do much because I want that natural look as well. If you feel like there are some still spots left, so you can go in. I have a mark over here. I don't know from what it is. At first, I thought it is from my blackheads, but it's not. So I don't know if you guys know how to fix that. Please drop some suggestions in the comment section. Then I go in with a loose powder. I have this Lakme Rose Powder. It's in the shade 01 Soft Pink. Then I go in with the brush. With the leftover product, I just use it all over my face. Using my favorite blush. This is very pigmented. Take it on the back of your hand. It's almost empty, guys. With the same product. You can skip this part, but I love color on my eyes, so as I said, this blush is pigmented, so abhi bhi itna product reh gaya hai. So what I do, I'll go in with my brush and dab it. I have blush blindness, guys. I'm a blush paglu. And since it was a cream blush, get your powder brush again and just dab. It looks too much, but it isn't. For the lipstick, if you want to go nude, I would suggest Maybelline's Nude Nuance. It's the best nude shade, best affordable nude shade. This is a matte lipstick. But today I'm using the Mad About You by Hilary Rhoda. I really like the color. I really like glossy lips, so I'm adding a gloss. And for the setting spray, this is Dalba's First Day Serum. I received it in PR. This is the only product which is not affordable. Earlier, I used to use Mars Seal, the Deal Fixer, but वो खत्म हो गया, and then I received this in PR. And for now, I feel like I can just use this. You have to shake it before you use it to activate the double layer. And I really like it because it gives you this hydrating glow. Now the last step for me is a mascara. So that was it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.